Don't allow me as a boss or an owner of a company or as a partner to sit with all the consequences by myself. Because if I sit with the consequences by myself, why do I need you? If you're not going to take responsibility and if you're not going to work hard and work along with me to make things work, and I'm always stuck with the problems, why do I need you? So let's share it and let's be a good team and a good team member. So when you represent me and I represent you, don't leave me with the burden. Sounds natural, but it happens all the time. When you make a mistake, when you're wrong, say, I'm wrong, it's okay. The importance is that you do have to accept responsibility and consequences, and sometimes the consequences are severe. Grow up, be an adult, say you made a mistake, accept the consequences, and let's move on, and let's go make some money together. Do ask me or ask the team members questions to help you. Don't sit here and assume you know everything. There's a whole team around you, or there are people always available to help you. Your mom, your dad, your brothers, sisters, good friends, people of clergy, anybody. People will always have an opinion about what you ought to do. The more you ask, the more you find out, the more varied opinions, and maybe one of those opinions is important. But sitting there pondering it by yourself, trying to discover an answer, I think that's full of headaches. Talk to everybody. Talk to everyone.